Good morning, Mom. Good morning, my sweet girl. Did you sleep well? Yes, Mom. I had a nice dream. That's good. Are you ready for school? Almost. I need to brush my teeth. Please brush well and wash your face. Okay, Mom. I will be quick. Breakfast will be ready soon. Thank you, Mom. I love your breakfast. Good morning, Uncle.
Good morning. How are you today?
I am happy. I like coming to school.
That's nice. Please sit properly.
Yes, Uncle. I will sit quietly.
Is your school bag ready?
Yes, I packed my books last night.
Very good. You are a smart girl.
Good morning, class. Good morning, teacher. How are you today? I am fine, thank you. Did you do your homework? Yes, teacher. I did all my work. Excellent. Please read the sentence. Okay, teacher. I will read slowly. Hi. Do you want to play with me? Yes, I want to play. What game do you like? I like playing swings. Let's play together. Yay! This is fun. You are very fast. Thank you. I practice every day. Hello, Uncle.
Hello, what do you want?
I want a chocolate, please.
Which one do you like?
I like the big chocolate.
Here you go.
Thank you. How much is it?
It is 5 coins.
Hello, little girl. Hello, Auntie. You are drawing very nicely. Thank you. I like drawing flowers. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is pink. That's a beautiful color. Yes, I love it.
Hello. What is the problem?
I have a small cough.
Since when?
Since yesterday night.
Do not worry. Open your mouth.
Okay, doctor.
Take this medicine and rest well.
Thank you, doctor. Hello, can I help you? Yes, please. I want a storybook. Which story do you like? I like animal stories. This book is very good. Wow, thank you so much. Please return it on time. Yes, I will.
Hello. What would you like?
I want a pizza, please.
Small or big pizza?
Small pizza is fine.
Do you want juice?
Yes, orange juice, please.
Okay, your order is coming.
Thank you.
Did you enjoy your day?
Yes, Dad. It was a great day.
What did you learn today?
I learned new English words.
I am proud of you.
Thank you, Dad.
Now it's bedtime.
Good night, Dad.